Your future's in progress. Mastering the future continuous tense. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of verb tenses, focusing on the future continuous tense. Our goal is to understand how to use this tense when describing future events. So, let's get started and master the future. The future continuous tense, also known as the future progressive tense, describes actions that will be in progress at a certain point in the future. The structure for this tense is subject plus will be plus verb, ing form. For example, I will be studying for my exams this time next week. Here, the action of studying is not happening right now but will be in progress in the future. One of the key functions of the future continuous tense is to describe future events. But remember, we're not just talking about any future events. These are events that will be ongoing or in progress in the future. For example, if you say, "This time tomorrow, I will be sitting on a beach," you're using the future continuous tense to describe a future event. Here, the action of sitting on the beach will be in progress tomorrow. To accurately describe future events with the future continuous tense, we often use certain time expressions. Common ones include, "this time next week," "at 7 o'clock tomorrow," "in the next year," and so on. For example, "We will be living in Paris this time next year." Here, the action of living in Paris will be happening this time next year. The best way to master the use of future continuous tense for describing future events is through practice. Try creating sentences about your own future actions. For example, "At 10 a.m. tomorrow, I will be..." What? Working? Running? Eating breakfast? Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. And there you have it. We've explored how the future continuous tense is used to describe ongoing future events. With practice, you'll soon be able to effortlessly use this tense to talk about your future plans and actions. Keep practicing, and remember, the future is continuous. Happy learning!